Hey everyone, how's it going? I'm David Knight, back with my buddy here to announce that the Student Nature Vids Film Festival competition is on again this year. Last year we had an amazing time, an amazing competition with 75 video entries from students and an incredible film festival, and then also 3 students winning $1,000 each. So for those of you who might not recall, the mission of Student Nature Vids, the competition, is to inspire and to recognize student creativity and love for nature. The competition is actually open to all CSU students, undergrads, grads. When you submit, the videos need to be under 3 minutes and they need to fall into one of 3 categories: adventure, natural wonder, and comedy.